Hi, I'm Jane Hardy. My business is Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men. It's all about business networking. Our ethos is connect, share, support, succeed. I'm currently at Sands at Bleak House in Woking, where we've just finished a very full half day of meetings with nearly all of my group leaders, which was awesome. They're just so friendly, supportive, knowledgeable and helpful. One of my latest group leaders, who's recently just joined us, she's called Michelle, and she now runs Camberley for me. I met Michelle about a year ago, and I met her at her very first networking event. Bless her. She could hardly say her name. She was so self-conscious. She had very little confidence, but she was trying to promote her husband's business, Magicos IT. Well, slowly but surely, sat down with her, had a one-to-one with her, took her under my wing, really, and slowly but surely, she came out of her shell a little at a time. I gave her hints, tips, and everybody at those meetings, our community, we like to say, they all rallied round her, supported her, cheered with her, cried a bit over the things that she got really upset about, but put our arms around her, and she's now group leader for Camberley, standing up, self-confident. It's not just about sales networking. It's about making friendships, being part of the community, and supporting and caring for each other. Being a small business owner can be really lonely, and attending your very first networking event can be very scary. So if you're a Michelle of a year ago and you'd like some help and advice and a bit of support as well, why don't you contact me here on the Facebook page, and I'll get back to you. Or indeed, I might even put you in touch with one of our fabulous group leaders that lives near you, and maybe you could have a cup of coffee with them. Or me, if you live near me, near Woking. So all I'll say, big little steps, big process, big progress even. And anyway, you'll always get a lovely warm welcome at a Fabulous Women, Marvellous Men meeting. Thank you for listening. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.